Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you've been struggling with frizzy, dry, or damaged hair, trust me, I've been there too. But after trying so many different things, I finally found 6 must-have habits that completely transformed my hair. And today, I'm sharing all of them with you. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support truly means the world to me. Now, let's get started. 1 satin hair bonnet and satin pillowcase. Let's start with something super simple but life-changing. A satin bonnet and a satin pillowcase. I used to wake up with crazy frizz and tangled hair every morning. But once I switched to satin, my hair felt so much smoother. Satin reduces friction, which means less breakage and healthier hair over time. Trust me, it's a game changer. 2 scalp massager. I never realized how important scalp massage was until I started using a scalp massager. It improves blood circulation, helps with hair growth, and makes your scalp feel amazing. Plus, it's so relaxing, especially after a long day. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out. 3 hairbrush cleaning. I used to ignore this step, but keeping your hairbrush clean is so important. Over time, brushes collect oil, dirt, and product buildup, which can transfer back to your hair and make it greasy. Now, I clean my brush regularly, and I've noticed such a difference. 4 heat protectant for hair. If you use heat styling tools, a heat protectant is a must. I used to skip this step and ended up with so much damage. But now, I never style my hair without it. It acts like a shield, protecting your hair from breakage and dryness. 5 gentle detangling brushes. Using the right detangling brush changed my life. Some brushes are way too harsh and cause breakage. Switching to a gentle, flexible brush made detangling so much easier and saved my hair from unnecessary damage. 6 microfiber hair towel. Regular towels can be way too rough on your hair. That's why I switched to a microfiber hair towel. It absorbs water faster, reduces frizz, and prevents breakage. My hair dries so much healthier now. And that's it. These 6 habits have truly transformed my hair, and I hope they help you too. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to hair care tip? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Remember, taking care of yourself is a form of self-love. Stay beautiful and confident.